How we doing today, everybody? It is December 12th, 2023. It is 7:31 a.m. It is the professional trader here. It is Tuesday, so we have CPI news coming out. I'm a little bit late to the party. News came out a couple of minutes ago, so we got the numbers right here as to what CPI was looking like. Of course, CPI, basically what was expected. CPI slightly above what was expected, and CPI year to year basically what was expected. So you know as far as bullish or bearish goes on the DXY, in my opinion, nothing really nothing really showing one way, but the price action is showing that even though that the news was pretty spot on as to what was forecasted and what was projected, we see that price action is, bearish, and we see that this resistance level is holding. So, as today goes on and as the week goes on, can we be expecting the DXY bearishness to continue? Um, in my personal opinion, I feel like the DXY bearishness can continue. So I'm looking for trades to go along with that. So just some trades that I'm looking at, some trade setups that are almost there. I'm looking to see if GBP USD can break this resistance level right here. And if we can break this resistance level right here, any type of retest, I'll be looking to go long. Um, USD JPY, I'm looking to potentially go long too as well. We had this spike right here. I'm looking to potentially go long as well. The price action is most definitely looking bearish. DXY is looking a little bit bearish as well. Thinking about taking a short stop, my stop loss right above this candle, seeing if we can go back to these lows right here. Gold, not too bullish on gold. I'm not too bearish on gold, but we do see that this level right here is potentially holding just this area right here, right? We saw price drop, 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 break above, and now we're just right back in that area. But I'm not ready to buy just yet. I want to see if, we can just get some more price action going along, um, can we break higher? Start to break higher and start to retest, and then, I'll be looking to potentially go long. So I like gold potentially as a buy too, and just not yet. USD CAD to me looks more bearish than bullish, but I'm not ready to sell it just yet. I'd be looking for sales if we can get one more push up here. I'd be looking to potentially try to sell it to these lows right here, but that hasn't happened yet. GBP JPY, from a price action standpoint, it looks bearish, but we're still on the higher time frames. We're still like the structures are still bullish, even though we did have this major price drop. The structure to me is still pretty bullish, so I'm a little bit hesitant to sell that. But I'd sell USD JPY before I sold GBP JPY or like Euro JPY. That's just my personal opinion. AUD USD, still waiting for the break in either direction. Are we gonna break up higher? Are we gonna break up lower? Euro USD, really not watching right now. Really not watching USD Swiss franc. Euro AUD, still just waiting. Are we gonna break below here, or are we gonna break above here and go higher potentially? So the news came out. You know, we had a nice reaction, right? But we see this candle is kind of starting to give some of that back. So, there's still two hours and 24 minutes left. So I'm not rushing to take any trades yet, right? Because still just need to be, aware like of this, right? So, right, I feel like the best confirmation, would be the break below here, right? I feel like a break below here would show that price, is truly bearish. All right. And if we could get a break above here, it looks like we'll be heading back to these lows. But break above there looks nice. And we've created this wick over here. So if we can close below here, as well, it looks like we'll be potentially, heading here. And then, from there, it looks like we could potentially hit here. But, still a little too early to say. the numbers weren't really positive, weren't really negative, pretty much what was to be expected. And right, and we're seeing that happen, right? We had an initial reaction to the downside, and now price is giving a lot of that back. So yeah, not looking to enter USDJPY just yet, right? There's still 23 minutes left on this candle. If this candle can recover most of this wick, then that'll be a good sign that this price can potentially still continue to the downside. But that's just my quick analysis on the markets. That's just my quick reaction to core CPI, CPI month to month, CPI year to year. Tomorrow we have more news as well. We have FOMC. So, the fundamentals continue, right? And then, the next day, it continues as well. So, um, not really what I'd like to see personally. I would have liked to see it really go. Sorry. I would have liked it to really see. I don't know if that was English. I would have liked to really see it go in one direction and really stay in that direction, right? But seems like we're just going back and forth, right? We reject a resistance area and just bounce off a support area and just continue right back up, right? Therefore creating this rejecting trend line, but bouncing, not rejecting resistance, but trending, kind of higher, type of thing. So yeah, I'll probably be doing another reaction tomorrow. Um, I'll be watching how this 4 hour candle closes. I'm not in any trades right now. Not really looking to rush any trades, just really looking to take the best trading setups, and I really feel like that just hasn't come my way yet. So just being patient and just staying professional. So yeah, that's just my quick little talk for the day. Appreciate to anybody who takes the time out to watch these videos. I appreciate it. I appreciate all the likes, comments, and anybody who takes the time out to subscribe as well. So I will see you guys tomorrow, God willing.